In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members to Notion. If you're collaborating with others, getting them into your workspace is the first step to working smoothly together, and I'll walk you through two easy ways to do it. Start by heading to notion.com in your browser. If you already have the desktop app, you can use that too. The process is the same. Click Login or choose Launch Notion if you're already signed in. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. You can switch workspaces using the menu at the top left of the sidebar. Now look to the bottom of the left panel and click Settings. This opens your workspace settings. From here, go to the People section. This is where you manage everyone in your workspace, pending invites and roles. If you don't see these options, you may not have permission to invite members, so you might need an admin to adjust your access. The first way to invite people is by using an invite link. In the People area, find the invite link option and make sure the toggle is enabled. This allows the workspace to generate a shareable link. When it's on, click Copy Link. You can paste that link into a message and send it to the person you want to invite. For best results, share it through a trusted channel. Depending on your workspace settings, the link may grant a default role, and you can always review or adjust roles after they join. Another way to bring people in is through their emails. Still in the People section, click Add Members. In the search field, type their names or email addresses. As you add each person, select their role. Choose a role that matches what they need, for example, standard member access for most collaborators, or a more limited role if they only need to view or comment. It's a good practice to grant the least access necessary and update it later if needed. When you're ready, click Send Invite. They'll receive an email with a link to join your workspace, and you'll see their status as pending until they accept. That's it. Two simple methods to invite teammates to Notion: share a link or send a direct email invite. Once they're in, you can organize permissions per page, adjust roles, and manage everything right here in the People tab. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.